you know, you can see the road over here. It broke off. So we should dig down to what that one is there, and then we'll just copy it. This is going to be a little bit of a pain. It's going to go 18 inches down from the top of...
From the top of there?
From this, 18 inches.
Oh, from the asphalt.
It's 18 inches from the top of the curb. So when it goes down, the top of the curb is still 18 inches. You know what I mean? So it's going to go like this.
Okay.
So we got to stay, basically got to be 18 inches from top of this, yeah.
Okay.
You find it yet, or?
No. I think so.
Let me see if I can get in there with this. Yeah, it's right there.
Was it right there? I was already there?
I think. so over at this job, you can hear the fighter jets in the background. They have like a, I guess they have almost like a track that they practice on. So it sounds like 2 or 3 of them are going. So you'll hear like thunder in the background, but it's actually the fighter jets going around in circles. So it's pretty cool. You know, if the trees weren't there, then you could see them. Good morning. So we planned on coming here the other day, but you know, what was it, Friday? Today's Monday, so we planned on coming here on Friday, but it was like torrential downpour, and what happened was it just kind of just destroyed all the work that we did. You know, flooded it back in. You know, you could see the road over here, it broke off, but it's fine though, because we're going to cut back to this line anyway, you know, so it doesn't matter. It didn't affect anything that we're going to do. Only thing it did affect is it took away our line that we wanted to follow, you know, for the forms. But honestly, it's no big deal, because we could still get the radius by running a string out there and just find where that radius is and just dropping all the pins. So it didn't really affect us too much. It just added an extra step, but no big deal at all. So we have the inspector. He's going to come a little bit later today. You know, it's an engineer inspector, so he's going to take a look at it, make sure all of our forms are good and set in place properly. And then, you know, once he passes us, which, you know, it's an easy inspection, but once he passes us, then we're going to pour tomorrow morning. You know, we already have the truck set up. So, and then once we do that, we got to get some asphalt, not cold patch asphalt. We're going to put it in here. So we'll tamp it, and then we'll go right up against our new curb. So today is like, you know, it's almost 8 o'clock. It's a hot, muggy day. You know, we want to try to get all the hard work done early before it gets too hot, and you know, just get ready for that inspector. So that's the goal. I don't think it should be too hard. Like I always say, what could go wrong? You want to hook this cord up?
Yeah. Do you just need the one?
Just the one, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the long hose. Yeah, it's to the right on the porch. We're gonna move the forks out of the way, then we'll put the bucket on, and we can throw all this. We gotta get our radius too first.
Yeah, that's what we want to do first, and then we'll get the asphalt out.
Yeah, get the asphalt out, and then we'll take it out and get all this set. That's water. Can you check it? Water, right? I'll take the one end of the string, so if you keep the spray paint,
okay,
you're just gonna put like a very like tiny, like super small thing of paint of where it is. Okay.
Stay back here, right?
Yeah, stay back there. Yeah, so go low and hold it tight. All right, so it's actually a lot further out, more towards like your car. Okay. Try that. You don't have to hold it super tight, just a little tight. All right, ready? Oh, man. All right, come towards me just a little bit. That's good. All right. Right here, they tighten up. They tighten up the turn, but I think just mark that like a real little spot right there, like very tiny. All right, and then now come closer. All right, keep coming, more, right about there. Go like 5 feet that way. Okay. Okay, so that's our other spot. So the furthest spot, the one further back, is from here over, and that one is from here that way. Actually, I gotta go this way because of the cars. Okay. Yo, if you set it right there on the ground, we got all these pins right here we can throw in. Step on the front of it. There you go. That was easy. Actually, all these pins we could just put right over there. You know,
Right here.
yeah, it works. You know where the line is. You can see it, right? So it doesn't have to be exactly perfect because we're gonna put forms in, we're gonna pour, then we're gonna fill, tamp.
Right.
So you know, but just try to, you could see it though. You can see right where it is.
Yeah. It's still 18 inches down from the top of the asphalt, right?
Yeah. Say if you do a spot there, you do a spot here with your height.
Oh, just get the height right
and then
there.
you connect them all.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not a bad idea.
Yeah. So. Alright. Yeah, you got it. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I didn't have my camera on, but I just realized it. But we got these pieces of AZAC right here at Home Depot. Well, it's not AZAC, it's Veranda, whatever you call it. So got 4 pieces. They're 70% off, you know, so we're cutting those up and using them for forms, you know, because this driveway's on an angle. So what we did is we're 1.5 inches higher than the road here, and you know, we're going 16 inches deep. A little bit of concrete's gonna go underneath, not a big deal. And then you know, so we're forming up the front. We gotta raise the height right here for the curb, raise the height down at the very end for the curb, and then after that we have to do the apron back here, and then we'll get inspection, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, cool. Let me cut this real quick and thinking we could put pins all the way behind it, all the way down, and then screw to it and then pop the front pins.
Okay.
If you work on like making kickers.
Kickers?
Yeah, because we gotta support this, because when you put the concrete in, it's gonna push.
It's gonna push against it.
So you need to support something like that, and then we'll drop a pin right in the dirt.
Okay. How long do you think you need?
Just do like 20 inches. You see this? See how it goes this way and just swerves?
Oh yeah, it's like a deep.
You know where you want to drop pins and all the behind there? Yep. Oh, look at that. That's the killer. That's the killer one.
Yep. That'll definitely kill me.
Yeah, he doesn't care. He won't bother you.
There you go. Yeah.
He's like, I could kill you, but I won't. I'm just
sweat it.
I'm just flying around. Hey, what do you want? Get out of here. Now he's trying to threaten us.
Is he?
Yeah, you see that? I'll kick him. See what he thinks about that.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I thought he was on me.
Oh, it's your earplug.
I didn't want him to land on me and sting me.
Yeah, no, don't want that.
All right, so we have all the curb, you know, all the forms in for the curb. We have the kickers. You know, we have to put another form in the back going all the way across. You know, and you know what's tricky about these is you have different elevations and a curve, so it's you know, you're kind of working off of a couple different scenarios here. You know, this particular house, all the water comes right down the road and it washes right here. And then once it washes here, it goes right against their house. So they have some issues with runoff. So, you know, but yeah, it's you know, we're getting it though. We're, you know, getting everything looking nice for them. So like I said, tomorrow morning's the pour, so the inspection is just a little while from now. So we just gotta get ready for that. And it's like 120 degrees out right now. So how is it, Tom? You're on your third shirt, you said?
This is my fourth shirt.
Fourth? He's on his fourth shirt. I'm on my first one. You look like I fell in a lake or something. I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is. So just go straight down with it. So bring it down till it hits the string. Just bring it right up to it. Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Let's dress his yard up a little bit, just make it look nice.
Yeah, neaten it up.
Yeah.
That plywood stuff and the extra PVC. You wanna leave it?
So you think you get Travis on the mag tomorrow?
Yeah, I got it.
He doesn't know it, but he's gonna be good at it.
He is really good.
You see that, right?
I told him.
Oh yeah, you've seen him on it already, right?
Truck, the trailer, or the...
Yeah, we're in the trailer. Yeah.